Hello everyone. Today we use KD-X4 machine to make all key lost for X-Trail car. 2022 years. Make all key lost. First, we go to generate the remote function. This is to KD-CB smart key. Smart key. Find the Nissan brand. Nissan. Okay. X-Trail. Okay. Generate. Now these two remotes already generated the software. We can go to the emo programming. Program the remote to the car. Emo. Okay. Nissan. X-Trail smart key system. We need to use this BCM cable to connect with the BCM box. And connect KD-X4 OBD port to the BCM cable. Take off the BCM box port. Connect to the BCM cable. Select X-Trail. All key lost. All smart key lost. Confirm. Yes. Yes. Open the hard. Turn on the hazard warning lights. Put the first smart key to the push start button. Okay, this one matched successful. We go to match the second one. Okay, this one also successful. Okay, finish it successfully. Buy the car.